This is Dad Random. If you were going to fly FPV with the Cinematic, you got to have a place like this. This is a nice soft field and a whole lot of patience, okay? I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know what this is going to fly like, but I've flown a lot of FPV and it shouldn't be a problem. It should actually be easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly around this field a bunch, get out over there a little bit, try to just really avoid obstacles until I feel like I've got good control. And then work with the different modes, how to come in and out, see if I can start and stop, those kinds of things. So here we go. All right, it's always nervous when you try something new, isn't it? All right, here we go. But it shouldn't be hard, right? It's supposed to be easy. This is supposed to be a transitional freaking quad. All right. So why am I so nervous? I don't know. All right, here we go. Got my lanyard on. Boop. Here we go. Let's get her started. All right, Dad Random. Here we go. We should be ready to go, man. All right. I see lots of grass. Let's just check a couple things. Straightforward. There's up. There's forward. All right, so we put it in manual mode. Manual mode. Battery communication error. So let's do that. So we have a we do a restart, I guess. Probably not a full. Yeah. See right there? Need to plug it in all the way. And that's actually pretty cool. I have never seen that. All right, so we're there. Okay, we have no communication errors now. Okay, 10 degrees. Let's get it to about 15, which is a nice shallow angle. And we're sports mode activated. And cruise control. Let's get that off. Right. Start and stop right there. I don't know what's going on here. That right down there. Got that. There we go. Manual mode. Tighten throttle stick. F2 screw. Alright, there we go. Now we're in manual. Alright. Gosh, I wanted to get over that initial start. Gosh almighty. Not bad. Okay. So this is my first manual mode. Oh, it's so much. Oh, it's like freedom. It is like freedom when you get back into FPV. Oh boy. Now we just got to get used to the sticks. I did leave my left stick a little bit sticky, so we can maintain our altitude a little bit. Oh man, yeah, it's gonna get. I'm gonna have way more smooth footage when we have. Oh man, that is so much better. When you're flying FPV, guys, you need to have this smooth, like, flight characteristics. And this is all I want to do today. All I want to do is just fly some laps. Just fly some laps. And don't hit poles. That's kind of what I'm doing today. Let's stay out of, oh man, I've got the freaking stick shakes. And I never have the stick shakes. Maybe it's because this is the $1,200 freaking price. Oh, so much better. There we go. Guys, I'm getting those stick shakes out. Oh man. I love flying FPV, guys. It is just so liberating. And we can do some nice even turns. She's pretty smooth. She's a cinematic. Gosh, this is going to totally change my videos. They're going to be so much smoother. Take that really tight turn there. And a little speed there. And we're going to have to get used to, you know, that right there. Getting a little bit of, getting used to the pop. There we go. So that is so cool. And battery wise, we're good. I just want to stay away from the trail there, but like I said, I'm just trying to get the cobwebs out. Oh man. Let's go this way. Let's get away from the park. Tighten throttle stick, F2 screw. She is loud though. I can really hear it, but it's one of those days I think where the sound kind of carries. It is so calm today. This is definitely louder than a 3-inch for sure. Definitely louder than a 3-inch. But yeah, she is I think she's a fat cinematic. Let's go around the school. Let's go all the way around. Let's go around. Oh, let's stay away from that pole. That's what we got to do. Got to stay away from the objects. A little flip there. You know, I'm starting to feel better now when I start flipping. I know what she can handle. It's not bad. She's coming down a little bit. She's coming down a little fat, but it's definitely not a 3-inch. You know, it flies like a heavy 5, which is okay. You know. Okay, slow her down here. Have some fun here with some. There we get around there. Let's get right over the top of the freaking roof here. Whoa. Bring her in nice and slow. I'm almost ready to use a pause. Oh man, that's how you're supposed to turn right there. Oh, just nice and hard. She's just biting during those turns. She is just biting. And then, so you got to be careful. You know, she does swing out a lot, so you just you got to give her some space. So, all right, here we go. We are going to go manual. There he is. There we are. We are now in manual. Or not in manual, we are now in sport mode. And we're going to come in for a landing. This is the way you got to do it with this thing. Because, you know, you got to kind of go, okay, I'm going to protect my investment. And I'm going to land, you know, without any. Here, let's go sport. I know we're in normal mode. I was having a heck of a time trying to. Okay, so let me see. Okay, there's manual. And I got to bring it right there.
Gotta be green. There we go. We just switched it from manual, or from regular to manual. That's a little bit of freaking mental gymnastics there. It's basically saying, hey, do you really want to do this? Oh man, I am so happy now. Whoa, we are gonna have some flights together. You little chubby freaking drone, you. All right, go into the baseball field here. Let's get through this area. No people. There we go. We're gonna go around here, make one more lap. Yeah, we'll just do a nice, easy, fun lap. Yeah, it's, I am now all right, so there we go. We're here. We're home. We're home. Okay. All right, we're done. We are done. We are done, and we're safe because that's what you got to do. What, -3 feet? Yeah, it's because that's where I'm standing. That's a pretty accurate. It's a pretty accurate thing. I'm gonna actually put her down over here on this nice flat road. Right there, and then just turn her around. Do a little yaw turn towards me. There I am, right there. Look, I'm kind of goofy, right? Let's just get her out in there. All right, there's Dad Random, right there. Put her down. There it is. She's done. All right, that's Dad Random's first manual flight with the Cinemavic. And once again, it's so freaking cool. I can hardly keep my excitement within my glasses. That will definitely teach some people how to. The sticks are they're a little bit sticky. It's the best way I can explain it, but I'm sure you can take that stickiness out of there. But now I can do a lot of things. That opens up that manual flight there, Acro flight, opens up a lot of doors for what this thing can do. And once again, what I wanted to do is slowly open a door at a time. I got the perfect day to do it. I mean, the air is so dead. Here, let me go pick up my my baby. There she is. There she is, right there. Set it about 15 degrees up angle. If you want to go faster, keep bringing the angle up. So there we go. I really like that. I didn't have this pushed in all the way, and it said, hey, push it in all the way. That was pretty cool. I didn't, that's another, yeah, it freaking helps us dummies, man. I freaking figured it out right away. Gosh, that was fun. I mean, this isn't a cool place to fly, but you guys, I'm telling you, if you're going to learn how to fly this thing, you have got to fly in some uncool places. You have got to learn. Guys, baby steps. Oh, that was fun. I now have passed. Here, let me get the gimbal guard on there. Gimbal guard. There we go. I want to record the sound of this frickin' thing turning on. I've yet to do that. All right, Dad Random, full Acro with the Cinemavic. That's what it is. It's a Cinemavic, guys.